rattling 2023 Root Achiever Endeavor line that just started up. I missed it. But listen to this awesome compressor sounds. When it This is what I need to hear from your rebuilt 2024 Bryant heat pump when it runs. Rooster's HVAC. The rattling needs to be dampened on the Bryant. But here's the example by this 2023 Root Achiever Endeavor line. Now the compressor is coming to scroll. Hear that? And the rattling's fading just a little bit. You hear that? It's still rattling, though. Something's probably loose inside. Listen to that compressor. If that thing stops rattling any minute now. Now it got dampened a little bit. This is how it should sound running in heating mode. Now it's fading. Oh, it's coming back a little bit. There goes the other one. So now we have two Root Achievers running. Look at that, we got a startup of the other Root Achiever. That could be your startup of the, oh 06 Concorde. That could be the there goes the Guardian. That could be the startup of your 06 Concorde. If you heard the startup of the 2023 Root Achiever, the other 2023 Root Achiever two-toner, you can match that startup sound to that new old stock 06 Concorde. Yeah, we have two Root Achievers and the Guardian and the Root, but it appears to be a Weather King 13 series that just kicked in. But yeah, listen to these awesome sounding scrolls from these two Root Achievers. Guardian with an LG scroll, looks like. But it is running. The 2016 Guardian is running, 3-ton. And there's the two 2023 Root Achievers. These are 2 tons. R410A. Hopefully could quiet down, but yeah.